Alright guys, this is gonna be a new vid about my hunter rigefield. Okay, now let's speed it on low. Well, it's actually a pretty good fan, but it's really good. It's just, it kind of wobbles, but you cannot tell. Look at the swinging chains. And look at it. Look at it swing. Yeah, it goes like, yeah. We're not going to mess with the band here. Light. Got a light. I got a plasma lamp down there. That's what makes the light. I'll let you see it again. You can tell, you can see the fan. Okay, so we're going to speed it up to medium. Alright. And then they're going to speed faster. It goes faster every speed when I pull it 3 times. This does not have a dimmer switch, but the hi. Yeah, I know. It's really great to have like a fan like this. All right, here's off. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch it spin down. So there it goes, spinning down. Really slow. It slows down and slows and slows and slows. Slows. Okay. Alright. This wasn't this thing that was making this sound. I think I'm just gonna end this video right here.